taking care of our mental health and emotional health and knowing how to help others with theirs is more important than ever, especially given the past couple of years, what we've all been through.
Yeah, welcome to Erin Polly, the co-founder of Rising Collective, to tell us more about how they're helping Hoosiers to navigate the crises of life. Hi, Erin, welcome.
Erin, thanks for being here.
You're welcome.
Well, first of all, we would love to hear about Rising Collective and the trainings that you're offering in our community.
Sure. So Rising Collective, we say that we bridge the gap between wanting to help and knowing how to. So there are skills that we can all learn to be able to help others when they're experiencing a mental health crisis or a substance abuse issue. And so we offer trainings in de-escalation, in bystander intervention. We offer trainings in upstander training, where you would intervene when you witness microaggressions happening, and then also mental health first aid.
So important.
What is mental health first aid? What is that?
So mental health first aid is a training that was actually created by the National Council for Mental Well-Being.
Okay.
So there are trainings happening all over the world. It's much like CPR, giving people really basic skills to be able to notice the signs and symptoms of a mental health crisis and intervene early and provide care to people who may be experiencing a crisis.
Yeah, I know so many people want to know how to help. So how would you possibly then approach someone who you might think has experienced some kind of mental health crisis?
Yeah, so in the mental health first aid training, which is a virtual training that we offer, we give you a whole set of skills, but really it's about embodying and practicing what to say. You know, most of us are afraid to intervene because we don't know what to say.
Yeah.
True.
So in the training we practice things like a non-judgmental approach, what that sounds like when you may be approaching somebody. I've noticed you haven't been eating with us lately. Is everything okay? You know, just being able to open up a conversation with someone is so important.
Yeah.
Early intervention is so important when someone's experiencing a mental health crisis.
I like that it leads with curiosity and compassion too.
So
Let's
true.
go to this next skill, making space to talk.
Yeah, so really listening non-judgmentally and giving people time and space, like really putting away your phone and making eye contact. Your body language says so much.
Really
so
listening,
really like letting someone know that you're open and available for that space to talk. What it sounds like is, I'd love to talk to you more. Do you have time for a cup of tea later today?
Well, that's nice, yeah.
Showing empathy, super important. What it sounds like, that sounds really hard. I'm so sorry you're going through that.
Yeah, showing you really understand what they're trying to tell you. Yeah,
Yes.
that's important.
Yeah. So we really model this in the trainings. My partner Malka Bird and I really believe that it's important to say the words to get it out. You know, we practice the skills in our trainings. We really want you to embody it. Say it to as many people as possible so that, you know, when that moment arises where you can help, you can really feel empowered to intervene.
Getting those verbal repetitions, it sounds like it's very important. Let's talk about showing that curiosity, because I've noticed these questions are so simple,
good,
but they can be so helpful in the moment. So let's talk about curiosity.
Yeah, so showing curiosity, what that sounds like. I'm here to listen if that's something you would want to tell me more about.
Oh, that's a good way to
leaving
say
it open-ended.
Yeah.
Right, you're not asking them to tell you about it. You're saying, I'm here if you want to.
Exactly.
Yeah, there's a big difference there. And then finally, we have a patient way to show you're there for them too.
Yeah, not everybody might be ready to talk about what they're experiencing if they're especially right in the middle of a crisis. So opening yourself up, letting them know what that sounds like. It seems like you might not be ready to talk now. Please know I'm here if you need anything.
I've noticed a theme in all of these, that it's aware, if you're the receiver of these, that you've got compassion and you have the presence of someone else with you, because so often we can just go straight to advice and we forget that
So
presence
true.
piece in this.
Absolutely.
Let's talk about some of these, the mental health first aids that you have for youth and adults coming up.
Yeah, so people ask all the time, who is mental health first aid for? Everyone. We all can benefit from these skills. Being able to recognize signs and symptoms of a mental health crisis, a substance use issue in youth, maybe behavioral disorders. It's so key. So the trainings are for everybody. The mental health first aid for youth, I highly recommend for parents,
Yes.
aunts, uncles,
Yeah.
teachers, of course, anyone that's interacting with youth. For adults, anyone, if you are, want to help your coworkers, your family, your friends, being able to just have these skills in your back pocket. And it is a certification that you get, just like CPR. You
Nice.
hold a certification in mental health first aid and become a community of literally millions of people around the globe who are trained in these skills and able to intervene.
That's great.
Thank
Erin,
you for showing
thank
us
you.
a little sample today. I know we've had the website up there. It's Rising Collective, and we have the information for social media there as well. Erin, thank you so much.
Yes,
Thanks,
thank you
Erin.
so
Really
much.
good. Yeah.